Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Angela's Hauls and Lifestyle. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate that. Alright, so today I am coming to you with another Dollar General haul. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the haul and show you guys what I picked up today. Okay, so first I picked up one box of these Frito-Lay Flavor Mix. There are 18 bags of chips in this box. And inside this box, you will get 2 Lay's Sour Cream and Onion, 3 Lay's Barbecue, 4 Cheetos Crunchy, 3 Doritos Cool Ranch, 4 Doritos Nacho Cheese, and 2 Fritos Chili Cheese. Okay. Next, I grabbed one 8-pack bottle Sprites. And these are the 12 fluid ounce bottles. So one Sprite. And I got 2 Cokes. So one Coke. And the other one is here. All right, next, if you want something delicious, you must try these. The Critters. And this is in the flavor cheese and caramel mix. These are super delicious, guys. And these are 100 calories per cup. They're non-GMO corn and oil. And there are no artificial preservatives. They are handcrafted small batch popcorns. This is a 7.5 ounce bag. Like I say, these are very, very delicious. If you have not tried these, you must give them a go. Okay. Then I grabbed a bag of these Lay's Kettle cooked jalapeno flavored chips. My oldest son, he loves these, so I had to grab a bag of these. And these are, let's see, 8 ounce bag. The best by date is August 9th, 2022. All right, next, I picked up a jug of the Arm & Hammer Plus OxyClean Stain Fighters and Clean Metal 75 loads. Next, I grabbed a box of the True Living Heavy Duty White Forks 140 count. Next, I grabbed 1 pack of the Simply Law washcloths, and these are 6-pack, $3. I thought that was a pretty good buy for 6 washcloths, and these are all white. And then I also grabbed another Simply Lofty washcloth 6-pack in a multicolor, and you get like a white and blue stripe, and they're like the baby blue, and then the 2 solid blues, and then 2 whites. I thought those were super cute. Okay, next, let's see what I want to do next. Memorial Day. My family and I, we love to go fishing Memorial Day, so we have planned a fishing trip. Hopefully it's a go, and if so, I went ahead and grabbed me some True Living Outdoors rubber coated gloves. So I got 1 pair, and they were $1. I got these from the garden, or the Garden Owl So these are basically garden gloves, but I'm going to use them to go fishing because I love to fish, but I don't like touching the baits with my hands. So I use these gloves to so that I don't have to touch the baits. Okay. And I thought they were super, super cute. They have like little flowers on them. Yeah. All right. Next, I grabbed one box of the 14 original snack size sticks Slim Jims. And these are, well, they have 6 grams protein per serving, and there are no artificial flavors or colors. So you get 14 sticks in this pack, and they are 150 calories per serving. The serving size is 4 sticks. There are 4 grams of saturated fat, 530 milligrams sodium, and 1 gram total sugars. Slim Jim Original. Love those. And next I grabbed some more Snapple. My Snapple drinks. So I think I got 3, no. Let's see. I think I got 4 of these Snapple Peach Tea, because they're 2 for $2. So I just grabbed 4 of the peach tea. And this one is really delicious. And I grabbed 4 of the Mango Madness. So our 2 favorite Snapple drinks are the Mango Madness and the peach tea. They are really, really delicious. I've tried the other flavors, but none of them tops the Mango Madness or the peach tea one. Okay, so I got 4 each of those. And next, I grabbed this New Look Same Great Formula Clorox Ultra Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid and Lemon Scent. It is bleach free with Oxy. I got this from the dollar section, so it was only $1. They also had some different scents, and they had like the 8-ounce bottles for $1, but I went ahead and got the 10 fluid ounce one. I wasn't gonna pay $1 for the 8-ounce when I could get more product for the same amount of money. So yeah, I got 1 of those. And I grabbed some deodorant for my husband. He loves the Degree, the 48-hour the 48-hour deodorant. This is in the Cool Rush. And I got 1 in Extreme Blast. Those are his 2 favorite scents. And let's see, what else did I grab? Those are the rest of my Snapple drinks. Oh, I had to grab another one of these Secret Weightless Dry Spray and White Peach plus Argan Oil. This smells so good. I hauled this. This is a repurchase. I hauled this in a previous Dollar General haul. And I really, really love this. I love the way it smells. So I definitely had to grab another one. So when I run out, I have 1 on standby. This is really, really good, guys. The Secret Weightless Dry Spray in White Peach plus Argan Oil. And I grabbed, this is very, very heavy, guys. I grabbed 1 pack of the True Living soft bath tissue. This, you get 32 double rolls, which equals 64 regular rolls, and it compares to Angel Soft. You know, I love my Angel Soft tissue, but I can't find it anywhere, so I went with the next best thing, I guess. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, it's a pretty big pack, so you get the picture. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Okay, and then I grabbed a True Living Essential Prints paper towels. You get 6 rolls, and this was $5. I think the tissue was $10.50 for the 32 rolls, which is not bad. So I got 1 pack paper towels, and then the last thing I got, guys, was a pack of water. It's too heavy for me to lift because it's 32 bottles, and that was gonna be too much trying to lift that up, but I'll insert a video clip of what it looks like. All right, guys, I think that is it for this Dollar General haul. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. I'm now signing off, sending positive vibes, and wishing you many, many blessings. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye.